Hello, Fat Cat family. Today is September 25th. It is in the afternoon. I am actually here in Stanton, Southern California. Basically LA and maybe Orange County. I don't really know. I'll do a quick check on it when I go home. I'm here. Well, here, I'll show you. I just came by. This is actually my very first time ordering I almost said Chick-fil-A. This is the very first time I'm ordering Raising Cane's. I hear a lot of good things. And guess what? I come here and I see Rodeo 39 Public Market. And it looks like a pretty cool place. So I'm going to take a few more minutes. This is how to explore a new spot in town. Today, Rodeo 39 Public Market. This is Fat Cat Productions. So I'm going to enter here. So the feel I get, it's a collection of, looks like pretty trendy stuff. So I'm used to the place in downtown LA. There's a place like this in downtown LA. There's Anaheim Packing House, which has this type of similar vibe to it. Looks like a kitchen here. Some shops. Right, you got Baby Yoda, you got Hello Kitty, you got it's either Lilo or Stitch. I don't really honestly know, is it Lilo or Stitch? I guess Stitch is the little monster, right? That looks like what do you think? It looks like a refrigerated section, maybe ice cream. So far I have a pretty good impression of this place. And oh boy, here we have more. Oh yeah, look at this. I don't really know much about alcohol because I don't drink a ton anymore, but this looks pretty impressive. Look at the size of those tanks. It's got a little retro area here. I see Mortal Kombat, NBA Jam. Yes, this this place knows how to do it. So Stanton, I already have a pretty good impression of this place. Yeah, nice open spaces here. It looks like some pretty trendy spot. Some adobo Asian fusion shop right here. Open kitchen design. We got some tattoo artists. Got steel pan. Got a burger place. So yeah, I just came here on a whim. I don't have any of my equipment, not that I really use it. It's a cool little bakery here. Soft opening and a trendy little flower shop. Hello, excuse me, thank you. Cool, Rodeo 39 Public Market. And out here, seating area. So yeah, this definitely reminds me of a lot of trendy places that they have going on right now. Like I said, Anaheim Packing House was to me, it was the OG. You got the Anaheim Packing House. Tustin, right by Irvine. Tustin, California has a bunch of places. I forget the name. I'll put it down. It's aeronautically themed. I think it's like I want to say it's called flight school, something like that. It's related to avionics because they took over that space. And yeah, nice open area, nice little decor here. and more shops to be opening. So, all right, well, that's my 5-minute mark. I just wanted to conclude. This is the first that I've done, again, with no preparation at all. We have just successfully answered the question, basically, how to crash a cool little spot. And today's spot is Rodeo 39, Stanton, California. And if you want to check out Raising Cane's, it's my first time checking out Raising Cane's. Pro tip on Raising Cane's: if you come here between 3 to 4 o'clock, there's like no one in the drive-thru. Like no one. There was one car ahead of me, and he left within 30 seconds. All right, signing off. Fat Cat Productions. Like and subscribe. Have you ever been here? I think this place is brand spanking new. I happened to drive by here. So that's it for me. Fat Cat Productions. Signing off. Cheers. Stay safe, my friends. I love y'all.